Welcome to Henann Garden Resort. Let's go for hotel/room tour. So we're here at Henann Garden Resort. So pagpasok ninyo, kailangan nyo muna mag-check-in dito. And then, ma-fill out kayong mga forms. Andito na rin yung rules and regulations nila. So, may 2,000 pesos na deposit per night. Then, ibibigay lang din nila yon upon your check-out sa hotel. So, sa Agoda kami nag-book and then nakakuha kami ng discount. Ang kinuha namin is Grand Hotel Room. So, ang per night namin is 3,979. Included na dito yung mga taxes. First is, maitatap kang card na parang susi nyo niyan. As you enter, ilalagay nyo yung card ninyo para umilaw yung buong room. So, pagpasok ninyo, may lalagyan kayo ng bags, luggages, and shoes, then slippers. So, meron din dito silang vault na lalagyan ng mga gadgets and important documents. Pag mag-activities kayo, pwede ninyong iwan dito. So, may pa-umbrella din sila dito and then hanger. So, kapag may mga basa kayong damit, pwede nyong i-hanger dito. So, this Grand Hotel Room is good for 2 to 3 persons or pwede ding pang pamilya. And then, here's the bed. It's a king-size bed and another one. Meron pang isang bed sa gilid. So, dito sa left side is office area or desk area where you can work. So, sa right side naman is may sofa and then mini table. Here naman is my TV and then cabinet, and then sa loob naman nito is heater and then my cups, mugs, teaspoon, and then my cream, coffee, tea, sugar, and then meron silang mini ref na walang laman. So this door leads to the bathroom. May bathtub and shower area, and then meron silang vanity area and you can do your makeup here. So may mga free din silang toiletries and of course toilet. Yan, may free tissue na rin siya and then may mga towels na din. So pwede nyo rin i-open yung Korean blinds para makita nyo sa labas. So the bathroom is really spacious. So dito naman is veranda. Pwede kayo dito mag-coffee or dito na kayo mag-work. Ang ganda ng view. Sa baba nito is makikita nyo yung infinity pool. So, dito naman is pool area. And then, pwede din kayo magpamassage, pwede rin kayong magpa-room service para dun kayo imamassage or dito sa mga kubos. So, here naman is yung pool bar. Pwede kayo dyan mag-chill-chill pag gabi na. Here is the cafeteria where the guest can eat breakfast buffet. They can also avail seats near at the pool. Thank you for watching, ka-travelers. See you on our next vlog.